So in today's video, we will be transforming this photo into something like this. So hit the like button and let's jump to the Photoshop. So here we are in Photoshop, and the first thing that we need to do is to extract the hand from the background. So to do this, first we need to make selection around it. I want to select this quick selection tool and click on select subject. Photoshop will automatically make selection around the subject. Now it does pretty good job, but we need to subtract this area from the selection. So to do this, hold Alt key on your keyboard, it will change this sign, and now you can brush on those areas which you want to subtract from the selection. I want to subtract these areas. Now to refine the selection, click on select and mask. First of all, change the view to on white so that we can clearly see. Increase its smoothness a little bit. Give it a little bit feather and decrease the shift edge. To refine the edges, click on this decontaminate color option. Also decrease its amount to about 85. Change the output to new layer with layer mask. Hit OK. And now the hand is extracted from the background. So let's rename it hand. Also convert it into a smart object. Delete this layer because we don't need it anymore. Now drag and drop this image into the Photoshop. By the way, you can download these kind of images from Envato Elements. They have 7-day free trials, so if you want to check them out, click on the link in the video's description. Anyways, let's scale it a little bit to fit with the canvas and click on this icon to confirm it. Now drag it down. And now as you can see, the hand is not bright enough compared to the background. So to make it brighter, let's select it and press Ctrl M to open curves. Adjust the graph just like this to make it brighter. Hit OK. Now to give it the color, let's select this layer, hold Alt key on your keyboard and drag it to the top to duplicate it. Let's rename it color. Now go to filter, blur and choose Gaussian blur. Blur it about 200 pixels to remove all of the details. Now right click on it and choose create clipping mask so that it will only affect the layer beneath it, which is the hand. Now change its blend mode to soft light. I think the color is too much, so just drop down its fill opacity to about 50%. And now it is done. Let me show you the before and after. So this is the before and this is after. By the way, if you want to learn how to make this kind of image, you can watch this video. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoy it. Hit the like button if you like this video. Subscribe to the channel. Also ring the bell icon so you will get notified whenever I post a new video just like this one. I'll be catch you in my next video. Till then, peace.